Hello. So I made these fish, and I'll talk to you about them as I go through. So each one of these Lego fish has a magnet somewhere, usually where their mouth would be, and that's because I made this fishing rod. As you can see, you've got a little worm there. And on the back, you've got this magnet, which attaches to the magnet pieces on the fish. So basically, you can catch them. So this is the bass. The only freshwater fish I made, and the smallest of them. And then you've got the stingray. Pretty simple design. Didn't take much work to make it. And over here you got the narwhal. I was trying to do a swordfish, but I can't have it coming out from its mouth or something. So it's just a narwhal instead. And this is the shark. Got the dorsal fin there, and pretty big. And the second biggest of them all. Actually, I'm not sure if the manta ray is bigger or not. But and the biggest of all, and the only one with a specific color scheme is the whale. It's got a little dot there for the blowhole, and the magnet is in its mouth. And yeah, I really like these guys. And basically, why don't we catch them? So, wait, just a second, now is at the door. Well, let's go fishing. Which one should I catch first? What do you think, Daddy?
I am a fan of the whale.
I think we'll go for that last.
Okay, then start with your freshwater, and then get the river out of the way.
So. Yeah. Well, let's see. Oh, there we go.
Caught a fish.
And luckily, unlike real life fishing, you don't have to get new bait.
There's a killer shark on the loose.
Oh no!
Dun-um.
Gotta catch
Dun-um.
the fish so they're safe.
Dun-um. Dun-um.
Well, the whale's okay.
Dun-um.
Oh yeah, the narwhal is okay. Oh no, I cut it. Oh no, I cut the line off with its. What is it called?
Dun dun
This horn.
dun
Get the stingray.
dun dun
You know what, I'll only just get this one. Nice. Put that next to the bass.
You make some great shark steaks.
Sharks are endangered by humans, so I don't know if they're on the endangered list, but I'll just let that guy go when we're done with it. I'll let them all go. Yeah. There we go. Caught the manta ray. Let's just be careful. The stingray. Just don't let it. Be careful. Don't let it sting me. Yeah. The narwhal. And woo. Pretty easy. This is a very young looking narwhal. This is a pretty small one. Not much bigger than the bass. Must be pretty young. And of course,
if you can catch a whale, I'll be impressed. That's a big feat, baby.
Let's just hope the
I thought they ate krill. Oh, he likes worms. He likes worms.
I can feel the weight.
It's a big old whale, baby. So you created all this all by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? That's very, very awesome. Say goodbye to your fans.